We're recording. Action. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm JoyJlizzle. If you're new here, it is very, very nice to meet you. Hello, hello, and welcome to a new installment of Cop That Look. Where are my glasses? I should use the glasses. I should use the glasses every single time. Cop That Look, where I take celebrity inspiration and or social media inspiration and I recreate the look for you right here on my channel. So with that being said, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, turn on post notifications, and also come back every single Monday for a brand new installment of this series. And with that being said, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so today we will be creating a look I saw on Gigi Hadid's Instagram a while back. It is super easy and simple, guys. You only need a couple pieces. So with that being said, let's get into what you will need. Alright guys, so one of the first things you will need is a plain black t-shirt. Now hers was short sleeve, but I got this long sleeve one. It doesn't really matter, it kind of gives off the same vibe because her whole entire look is kind of ill-fitting in a way that her shirt is kind of small and her pants are kind of big. So I did get this one here that has the same kind of style and or essence. I suggest getting these from Goodwill. They always have a plethora of them, whether long sleeve or short sleeve, and also maybe sizing down or going to the children's section to get the kind of style that she had also in her photo. So yeah. Alright guys, so the next thing you will need for the look is obviously some black jeans. Now hers were definitely more black mom style jeans. Here I have some skinny jeans that I opted for, but if you are down for a hunt, you can always go to your local Goodwill. They do have a plethora of skinny jeans. It's always kind of hard finding your size, especially if you're looking for a certain style, but you can always distress them by yourself regardless. But these are just skinny jeans, and if you want to go that route, which is in my opinion a lot easier, you can always just go a couple sizes up and then add a belt, and that could add a cool vibe too. So alright guys, so one of the final clothing pieces you will need to recreate this look is obviously the red sweater that she had tied around her neck in a preppy girl style, which I appreciated, by the way. You guys can get these from anywhere. This one I just had laying around my house, but again, Goodwill has a plethora of sweaters and or cardigans all the time, and it doesn't have to be red. It can be whatever color you want or you're feeling, and yeah, you should be able to recreate this look pretty easily. Alright guys, so accessory wise, Gigi did decide to match her whole sweater and glasses and go for a red pair of shades. Now these are just some like little plastic ones that I just found laying around again. But since I didn't really like the way these looked on it, I am going to switch these out for the infamous Cop the Look sunglasses because I feel like these kind of mature up the look a little bit, especially if you're not like a 5'9" model or 5'11" model that can't pull off those kind of glasses. These ones are really easy to find anywhere you go, and they do actually really elevate the look, and I feel make it look a little bit more chicer than the red sunglasses. But I will definitely link below a pair of red cat eye sunglasses if you want to use those, or just find these at your local Forever 21, Charlotte Russe, wherever you want, and I also link a pair similar down below. Alright you guys, so shoe wise, I'm not sure I went in depth with this when I did the Kylie Jenner recreating look, but I wanted to tackle this on this look. So you have to remember that Gigi is a model, so she is super tall, so she can wear and get away with a lot of things that people of average height might not be able to. So I have an option for you guys. If you want to be as tall as Gigi, I suggest going for a pair of booties. These ones are just by Forever 21. They were $24 to $27 around there, and they are super comfortable, you guys. I always tell my friends, Forever 21 has the most comfortable boots ever. You can wear them for like 8-10 hours a day and you won't feel a thing. I promise you. I promise you, I would not lie to you. So if you want to go that route, there's always this. But if you do want to go the flat route, I also picked out a pair of loafers for you guys. These ones are for Route 21. I got them for $5, guys, which is a steal, a complete bargain. And I also think these would make the look super chic, especially with the glasses and everything that's going on. Because when I saw this look, I thought French Riviera or stroll down the street classily, and I thought loafers would really complement this look, even though she did wear sneakers with, which you can totally do that yourself as well. I just thought either loafers or a pair of booties would personally match better. So yeah. Alright you guys, so that is all you'll need to recreate this look. With that being said, let's get into it. Let me show you what it looks like all together. La la. Hallelujah.
I will rise up now. but I will rise up now.
Alright, you guys, so I did forget to mention that Gigi did have a pair of earrings in her look, just a pair of big chunky silver earrings, so I just grabbed some gold thin ones that I had lying around, but you guys can get those from anywhere and I'll link a pair down below if you are interested. But with that being said, you guys, that does wrap it up for me today. If you enjoyed that cop that look, that cop the look series, I think I'm gonna go with cop the look, not cop that look. Cop the look. Yes, I think we found it. But anyway, guys, if you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Also, comment down below if there's anyone you want me to recreate a look, and make sure to share it with me too on Instagram or other social media sites like Snapchat or Twitter, you know. But with that being said, you guys have a wonderful and beautiful day wherever you are. Again, make sure to subscribe. And I will see you guys next Monday for a new Cop That Look and next Tuesday for a brand new video. Ciao, babes.